Hello. Hello, good morning, everyone. Yes, today we will discuss anatomy of the heart. First, we will discuss what are the questions, important questions which are related to the university exam regarding the heart. In the heart, there are a number of questions. It comes under the heading of the heart, like describe or discuss the anatomy of the heart. This question is already asked in the university exam. This question will be asked for 10 or 20 marks. Then describe the vascular supply of the heart. This question will be asked for the 10 or 20 marks. A vascular supply of the heart is nothing but that is a blood supply of the heart. Then next, discuss the blood supply of the heart. This is again long question. Describe the right atrium of the heart. This is the right atrium. It is nothing but it is a chamber of the heart. Then this question is again long question. It may be 10 marks or it may be 20 marks. The second next question, describe the right ventricle of the heart, describe the left ventricle of the heart. So these are the all long questions. All these questions are asked in the university exam. This may be it may be 10 marks or it may be 20 marks. Then short notes, external features of the heart. What are external features of the heart? This question is asked for the two times in the university exam. Then blood supply of the heart, left atrium, and valves of the heart. These are the short notes. Next, we will discuss what are the. This is the schematic diagram. This schematic diagram. Uh, this in this schematic diagram, you can see very clearly. Schematic diagram. It is a nothing but for the understanding. You know? So this is the main central part of the heart, or you can say this is the anterior surface of the heart. This is the diaphragmatic surface of the heart, base of the heart, which are present in the posterior of the heart. This is the right pulmonary surface. This is the left pulmonary surface. This is the apex, and this is the inferior margin or inferior border of the heart. Uh, Next, this is surface anatomy part. In this surface anatomy part, you can see there are two diagrams here in the surface anatomy. So this is the surface anatomy. In this diagram, you can see position or orientation of the heart. This is the thoracic cavity. In the with it includes 12 pairs of the ribs with costal cartilages, and the central part it is called as the sternum. Behind this sternum, heart is present. Exactly what is the location or position of the heart? The heart is located in the middle mediastinum. This is the complete portion of the heart. This is complete anatomical portion of the heart. This is the right border of the heart. This is the left border of the heart. This is the inferior border of the heart, and this is the superior border of the heart. So this is the anterior aspect of the heart, and this is the posterior aspect of the heart. In the diagram, you can see this diagram. It is very clear. This is the arch of aorta having three branches. This is a brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, and left subclavian artery. This question will be asked in the Viva. Identify the structure and mention the three structures or three branches. So this structure is called as arch of aorta having three branches: brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, and left subclavian artery. This is the superior vena cava. This is the right atrium. This is the right ventricle. This is the left ventricle. And this is the left atrium. These are the four chambers of the heart. So this is the dissected heart. What I'm showing, this is ये जो dissected heart है ये what मैंने जो dissect किया हुआ heart है this is a heart outer covering. It is called as a pericardium. See, this is a right atrium, right ventricle, and this is arch of aorta. The superior vena cava here, inferior vena cava. See, this is the diagram from the Gray's Anatomy. This is superior vena cava. This is the inferior vena cava. This structure is called as a diaphragm. This is a complete anatomy of the heart. See this clearly, inferior vena cava. Next, this heart. This heart word, which are originated from the Greek word. The Greek name of the for the heart, it is called as cardia, from which we have the adjective cardia. And Latin name for the heart, it is called as a cor, C-O-R, from which we have the adjective coronary. So this is the surface anatomy, thoracic cage, and the blood supply. Here you can see the arterial supply. This is the thoracic aorta. Thoracic aorta, it is continuous with in the abdomen. It is called as the abdominal aorta, and this is the venous supply of the thoracic cage. So this is the circulation of the blood. Circulation of the blood. Now, here in this this circulation of the blood, which are related to the fetus also. So this is the umbilical vein and umbilical artery. So this is a, here you can see this umbilical vein. It is persistent. That is a continuous. This umbilical vein persistent to the left umbilical vein. You can see very clearly here. This is, and ये जो structure है, this is called as a placenta. This arteries and blood vessels are attached to this placenta part, and this is the mother's fetus structure, and this blood vessels which are attached to the, again in future, which are related to the heart region. ये जो है, you can see this umbilical vein, it is continuous with the ductus venosus, the structure you can see. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, एंड बिहाइंड दैट इज, ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है inferior vena cava. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है inferior vena cava, this is the superior vena cava, this is the inferior vena cava, and this is the liver structure. The circulation of the blood very clearly, next slide we will discuss. Before circulation of the blood, we'll discuss what is the introduction about the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system, it consists of basically heart, which pumps the blood for the circulation, and blood vessels which carry the oxygenated blood. And a cardiovascular, cardio means related to the heart, vascular means related to the blood vessels. So this cardiovascular system, it consists of the heart. What is the role for the heart, which pumps the blood for circulation, and the blood vessels. What is the role for the blood vessels? That blood vessels which carry the oxygenated blood, or you can say the pure blood, and कौन carry करता है? That is the artery. This oxygenated blood is supplies to the various organs and returns to the deoxygenated blood, that is the veins, from various tissues and organs to the heart. Next, it is responsible, this cardiovascular system, it is responsible for the transport of nutritive substances from GIT, or you can say as the gastrointestinal tract, or transport of waste products for removal to the liver and kidneys. It also, this cardiovascular system is also distributes hormones and other agents that regulates various body functions, and it helps in regulation of the temperature, and it maintains the internal environment of the body. है ना? तो basically हमने क्या देखा cardiovascular system, इसमें there are basically two components, heart and the blood vessel. What is the main role for the heart? Heart which pumps the blood for the circulation, and blood, what is the role for the blood vessel? Blood vessel which carries the blood. There are two types of the blood carrier, oxygenated and deoxygenated. Oxygenated blood is also called as pure blood. तो ये कौन carry करता है? Arteries. And ये जो pure blood है which supplies to the organs and returns the deoxygenated blood, impure blood. कौन carry करता है? That is the veins from वेरियस टिश्यू एंड ऑर्गन्स टू द बॉडी. जो इम्प्योर ब्लड है बॉडी से हार्ट की तरफ लेके आने का वेंस का काम होता है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? इट इज रेस्पॉन्स द कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम, इट इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ द न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम द जीआईटी and transport of waste products from removal to liver and the kidney, and it also distributes hormones, other agents, regulates various body functions, and it helps in the regulation of the temperature and their internal environment. And so this is the schematic diagram for the circulation of the blood. So with the help of the diagram, we will see this circulation of the blood. Here, this is a complete portion of the heart. This is a superior vena cava, and this is inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava में जो blood आता है, it comes from the upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava में जो blood आता है, in the lower part of the body. तो superior vena cava और inferior vena cava से जो blood, impure blood आता है, और सबसे पहले right atrium से कहाँ जाता है, right ventricle से pulmonary trunk से फिर कहाँ, lungs में चला जाता है, and lungs में क्या होता है, purify हो जाता है. Here you can see next diagram. Here देखो ये राइट एट्रियम से राइट वेंट्रिकल, देन पल्मोनरी ट्रंक से लंग्स, है ना. तो यहाँ पे ये प्यूरिफाई हो जाता है लंग्स के अंदर. लंग्स में ब्लड जब प्यूरिफाई हो जाता है, दैट इट कम्स बैक टू द हार्ट. तो किसके थ्रू आ जाता है, इट कम्स बैक विद हेल्प ऑफ द पल्मोनरी वेन्स, है ना. विद हेल्प ऑफ द पल्मोनरी वेन्स से कहाँ जाता है, पल्मोनरी वेन्स से ये लेफ्ट एट्रियम में आ जाता है. लेफ्ट एट्रियम से ये लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से ये कहाँ जाता है, लेफ्ट एट्री में, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से ये एओर्टा में आएगा, एंड एओर्टा से फिर ये थोरासिस रीजन में जाएगा. that time it is called a thoracic aorta, and it supplies the whole part of the body of the part. नेक्स्ट हियर, दिस इज ऑल जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया वही. देखो ये पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सर्कुलेशन, पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन एंड सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन. ये कंप्लीट जो बॉडी से रिलेटेड जो सर्कुलेशन इज कॉल्ड सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन. द सर्कुलेशन which present in the which are which are occur in the lungs, it is called as a pulmonary circulation, or it is called as a pulmonary circuit. ये जो circuit है इसको pulmonary circuit कहा जाता है. circulation हो जाए, it is called as pulmonary circulation, and this is the systemic circulation. Next, the surface anatomy, you can say this is the thoracic, this region it is called as thorax region. ये जो part है, this part it is called as thoracic cage. In that thoracic cage part, behind that sternum, heart is present. Here you can see in the thoracic cage, this central portion bone, it is called as a sternum, having three parts, manubrium, body of the sternum, and zippered process. Next, this is thoracic cage with 12 pairs of the ribs with costal margin. This heart is present behind the sternum, exactly which are present in the middle media sternum. See, this is the complete thoracic cage. So this is the mid axillary lines. This is a diaphragm. This is the manubrium structure. This is called as a sternal angle. This line, it is called as a costal margins. This line it is called as ये जो structure, this muscular structure, it is called as a diaphragm. Surface anatomy you can see clear. Yeah, this is a dissected part of the heart. So this is called as arch of aorta. This is a superior vena cava. This is a right auricle. This is a left auricle. Atrioventricular groove. This is called as a right ventricle. This is called as a left ventricle. This is called as a apex. The one by one, and this is the yellowish portion. It is called as the fat, and below that fat, coronary artery is present. So, what are the layers of the heart? The heart, it is made up from the three layers: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Epicardium, which are present above the heart. Myo means muscles. This is a muscular layer or musculature of the heart, and endocardium, it is the inner layer of the heart. So with the help of the diagram, I will show you there are three layers of the heart made up from three layers: epicardium, myocardium, made up from the muscles of the heart, and this is the endocardium. It is directly attached to the directly attached to the heart. It is called as endocardium. Next, what is the definition? What is the definition of the heart? The heart, which are conical in shape, basically. It is conical in shape. It is a hollow muscular organ consisting of four chambers. It covered by pericardium situated within the medial mediastinum. Middle mediastinum, and it acts as a central pumping organ of the circulatory system. See this diagram, this this definition clearly, all these points are cover heart. It is conical in shape, hollow muscular organ consisting of four chambers. It is covered by pericardium situated within the medial mediastinum, and it acts as a central pumping organ of circulatory system. नेक्स्ट हार्ट के ऊपर जो कवरिंग होती है दैट कवरिंग इट इज कॉल्ड एज द पेरी कार्डियम देखो दिस इज अगेन दिस पेरिकार्डियम इट इज हैविंग टू लेयर आउटर लेयर एंड द इनर लेयर है ना द आउटर लेयर इनर लेयर के बीच में जो कैविटी है दैट कैविटी इट इज कॉल्ड एज पेरिकार्डियल कैविटी see cardiac muscle see this is again schematic diagram this heart is made up from the middle layer which are made up from the muscle that muscle it is called as a cardiac so these are all cardiac muscle bundles during the histology part histology of the muscle already we discuss हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था ड्यूरिंग द muscles histology of the muscles we discuss already three muscles skeletal muscle cardiac muscle and smooth muscle so already हमने इसका histology point of view हमने discuss किया है next here in that part you can see very clearly here so these are the all valve structure pulmonary valve aortic semilunar valve bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve this structure is called a cardiac muscle of the right ventricle cardiac muscle of the left ventricle see this is the surface anatomy for the valve है ना जैसे whenever we examine the patient है ना जब हम cardiac patient हम एग्जामिन इवन जनरल एग्जाम भी एग्जामिनेशन करते हैं पेशेंट के उस टाइम पे वी शुड नो जैसे आपके पास स्टेथोस्कोप है लेकिन कहाँ पे हमें कौन सी वॉल्व कैसा इसके स्टेप्स ये देखना है स्टेथोस्कोप से साउंड्स कौन से वाल पे कौन सा साउंड आता है हाउ विल यू रिमेम्बर और हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई देखो दिस पोर्शन ये जो पोर्शन है फॉर द पल्मोनरी वॉल्व दिस दिस पोर्शन फॉर aortic wall and this is the bicuspid wall and this is the tricuspid wall so ye jo portion tricuspid this is for the bicuspid wall. So these are the structures these are the four valves the four valves of surface anatomy you can see very clearly usually what we do in the practical exam practical classes I mean, usually what we do जैसे practical classes हो जैसे demonstration है discussion है या हार्ट का है ये इसके चेम्बर्स के बिफोर दैट व्हाट वी डू वी मेक द ग्रुप्स है ना उसके 5 to 6 इसका ग्रुप बनाते हैं ग्रुप बना के हम सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर मीन्स 5 to 6 स्टूडेंट्स का एक स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर जो भी स्टूडेंट्स आप खुद मतलब इन्वॉल्व इसमें इंटरेस्ट होता है तो उसमें हम इसे स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर या कोई पेशेंट्स के ऊपर ही हम इसके सरफेस एनाटॉमी हार्ट का ड्रॉ करके वही इसी सर हार्ट का डायग्राम ड्रा करते हैं इसका आउटलाइंस बनाते हैं उसके सरफेस मार्किंग इट इज कॉल्ड एज सरफेस एक्चुअली इट इज कॉल्ड एज सरफेस मार्किंग दिस मार्किंग अगेन वी डू इन द cadaver also we do also in cadaver also so this person why we are doing all this thing study we can deep structure because ultimately what we do in the final year after final year we practice on the patient so we start this practicing start on the first year only so that's why we every time whenever we start any organ any part of the anatomy first we should know that is the surface anatomy part surface anatomy is structure is nothing whenever that surface anatomy structure means deep structure which we examine on yeah analysis on the surface part of the body so this is the anterior aspect of the body ये जो structure है this is the anterior aspect of the body sorry anterior aspect of the heart so in that it is a very clear diagram this is the arch of aorta this is ascending aorta superior vena this is superior vena cava this is the inferior vena cava this is the right atrium right ventricle and left ventricle this is the left auricle this is a posterior aspect of the heart in that posterior aspect of the heart this structure is called as a left atrium again this portion it is called as a base of the heart this is called a base of the heart in the base of the heart or right left atrium it consists of there are four pulmonary veins right superior and inferior pulmonary veins and left superior inferior pulmonary veins so these pulmonary veins you can see very clearly You have superior right pulmonary veins, inferior right pulmonary veins, and superior left pulmonary veins and inferior left pulmonary veins. So these are all blood supply. ये जो structure, this is called a blood supply. This is a fat, and this is a coronary sinus. This is the interior structure of the heart. ये जो structure है, this is the interior view of the right atrium. This is the interior view of the right ventricle. So this is a dissected heart. What we have, जो हमने dissect किया है, that part I'm showing you. So here you can see very clearly. You can see anatomical position of the heart, which are present in the between the two thoracic. ये जो है, this is called as thoracic cavity. In that thoracic cavity, lungs is present. In between the lungs, that is the heart is present. So this is a complete portion of the heart with pericardium, with fat, with this arch of aorta having the 3 branches. See, this is the this one 2 branches which are enters in the neck region, and 1 branches which are enters the subclavian subclavian region में चला जाए, subclavian artery, left subclavian artery. Yes. Next, what is the measurement of the heart? The length 12 centimeter from base to the apex. Base to the apex means ये तो हो गया, this region it is called as the apex. Base already मैंने दिखाया था, already I shown you. Base structure I will show you. Yes, this structure, this is called as a base. This is the apex. So what is the length from start from posterior to the anterior length? That is a 12 centimeter base to apex, then transversely 8 to 9 centimeter, and anterior posteriorly 6 centimeter, and heart ka anterior से posterior इसका जो length है 6 centimeter. Then what is the weight of the heart? Weight in male, weight of the heart 280 to 340 gram, average 300 gram. Female, in female 230 to 280 gram, and average that is 250 gram. Again, I would like to explain here. Okay, this question will be asked in the Viva as well as in the spotting. Spotting question will be asked, identify the given organ and write down the measurement or weight of the heart in male and in female. This question will be asked in the Viva as well as the spotting. Next, what are the external features? What are the external features of the heart? External features or gross features of the heart. What are the features of that? Apex, base, 4 borders, 4 surfaces, 6 sulcuses, 2 auricles, and the 4 chambers. So one by one, we will discuss all the structures. So this is this dissected part, dissected heart. The apex part. So this region it is called as ये जो region है, this region it is called as the apex. This apex, which form that is a left ventricle. Base, which are present on the posterior aspect of the heart. 4 borders, right border, left border, superior border, and the inferior border. Once again, right border, left border, superior border, and the inferior border. Having 4 surface. What are the 4 surface? 4 surface, एक तो anterior or posterior, the surface which are present posterior of the heart, it is called a posterior surface. This is the right surface, and this is the left surface. Sulcuses part with the help of the sulcuses, or it is also called as a groove. There are some sulcuses which are present here. This is called atrioventricular groove, or it is called as the atrioventricular sulcus. Atrium और ventricle के बीच में जो groove है, जो sulcus है, it is called as a atrioventricular groove. But that atrioventricular present in the atrioventricular groove present on the anterior list, so it is called as a anterior atrioventricular groove. Next, in next slide again I will show you here. Here you can see this is the anterior interventricular groove, posterior interventricular groove. This is the coronary sulcus. Sulcus. Then sulcus terminalis. Sulcus first we will complete borders parts. Shape conical or pyramidal in shape. Borders, 4 borders, right border, left border, superior and inferior. देखो, this is the right border, left border, superior border it is disturbed due to the presence of vessels, and this is the inferior border, है ना. sulcus इसका कुछ parts है, यहाँ पे coronary sulcus है, anterior interventricular sulcus है, posterior interventricular sulcus, or it is called as the groove. Surfaces, it is having four surfaces: sternocostal surface or anterior surface. तो anterior जो surface है, anterior surface means which are present in the anterior portion of the heart. Diaphragmatic surface or inferior surface, right surface or the left surface. See, देखो, this is called as a right surface, left surface, diaphragmatic surface, and this structure is called as anterior surface or sternocostal surface. One more surface, it is called as the pulmonary surface. What is that pulmonary surface? Pulmonary surface is the right and left surface of the heart. It faces towards the respective lungs. It is called as a pulmonary surface. So this is the heart. Right and left surface faces. This is the lungs. This is lung. Right and left surface of the heart faces right lungs and the left lungs. That surface it is called as the pulmonary surface. ये जो है pulmonary surface है ना. जो हार्ट का जो सरफेस है वो लंग्स के लंग्स से towards the lungs, that is called as right and left pulmonary. So pulmonary means which are related to lungs. Next is six sulcuses. It is a coronary sulcus, or it is also called as atrioventricular sulcus. Atrioventricular sulcus में atrium और ventricle के बीच में जो groove है sulcus, it is called as a atrioventricular sulcus. Then anterior interventricular sulcus, दो ventricles के बीच में जो sulcus है और जो anterior में present है, that is called as anterior interventricular sulcus. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं anterior दो वेंट्रिकल्स, ये है राइट वेंट्रिकल और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, दो वेंट्रिकल्स के बीच में है लेकिन anteriorly, so it is called as anterior interventricular sulcus or groove. Then posterior interventricular groove, this posterior interventricular groove which are present in the posterior aspect of the heart, और वो दो वेंट्रिकल्स के बीच में. एक मिनट, posterior, yes, here you can see clearly. ये है लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, ये राइट वेंट्रिकल, दोनों के बीच में जो ग्रूव है, दैट ग्रूव इट इज कॉल्ड एज पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव. दिस इज द कोरोनरी सल्कस. दिस इज द कोरोनरी सल्कस और कोरोनरी ग्रूव. देखो यहाँ में देखा कोरोनरी सल्कस, एंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव. देन एंटीरियर इंटरएट्रियल, दो एट्रियम के बीच में जो सल्कस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज interatrial, but वो anteriorly present, it is called as anterior interatrial sulcus. देखा दो एट्रियम के बीच में था में. ये है राइट पार्ट ऑफ द कोरोनरी सल्कस, दिस इज द लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कोरोनरी सल्कस. एट्रियम दो यहाँ, ये दिस इज ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है लेफ्ट एट्रियम, इसके सामने जो आएगा राइट एट्रियम, तो लेफ्ट एट्रियम और राइट एट्रियम के बीच में जो सल्कस आएगा वो anteriorly that is called as the anterior interatrial है ना. दो एट्रियम के बीच में, राइट एंड लेफ्ट एट्रियम के बीच में जो ग्रूव है सल्कस, इट इज कॉल्ड एज एंटीरियर. और जो पोस्टीरियर इंटरएट्रियल सल्कस माना कि दो एट्रियम के बीच में ही प्रेजेंट है, वो पोस्टीरियरली प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पोस्टीरियर इंटरएट्रियल सल्कस. नेक्स्ट है सल्कस टर्मिनालिस. दिस सल्कस टर्मिनालिस व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट on the right border of the heart, that is extending from superior vena cava to the inferior vena cava. देखो superior vena cava extending from, that is a superior vena cava to the inferior vena cava, so present on the right border of the heart, right, that is called as sulcus terminalis. sulcus terminalis. यही sulcus terminalis जब हम अंदर की तरफ जब देखते हैं interior, that is called as cresta terminalis. Next, what is the base of the heart? What is the base of the heart? The base of the heart, it is the posterior aspect of the right and left atrium and bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk, which is directed upwards and backwards. So, this structure it is called as a base of the heart. जहाँ पे right and left इसका right and left atrium and bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk. So here you can see bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk. यहाँ पे bifurcation, so this structure it is called as the base of the heart. Posterior of the right and left atrium, here you can see bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk, which is directed upwards and backwards. Then here apex it is a conical projected part of the left ventricle, which is directed downward, forwards, and to the left. So I will show here. So this is the apex of the heart. This apex of the heart, which forms that is a left ventricle. It is situated on the left fifth intercostal space. What is the exact location? When we see under this apex जो portion जब हम patient में देखते हैं तो क्या इसका location है ना? The location of situation, it is situated on the left fifth intercostal space, half inch medial from the left midclavicular line. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. This is the apex of the heart. Exact location in the adult patient में देखते हैं, person में देखते हैं. नॉर्मल पोजीशन स्टिच में फिफ्थ इंटरकॉस्टल स्पेस, लेकिन यही हम चाहे बच्चों के अंदर देखते हैं बिलो द 2 years, इन चिल्ड्रन बिलो 2 years द अपेक्स इज सिचुएटेड इन द लेफ्ट फोर्थ इंटरकॉस्टल स्पेस इन द मिड क्लैविकुलर line. Next, chambers of the heart. It is having 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Here, there are 4 chambers: right atrium, then left atrium, right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Once again, right atrium, left atrium, which are present in the posterior aspect of the heart. Then this is the anterior aspect of the heart. Right ventricle is present. Then left ventricle present and anteriorly continues with the posteriorly. Posteriorly, you can see this is the left atrium. Left ventricle continues with the posterior right ventricle. So, you can see this is the right ventricle. This is the left atrium. Next, what is the arterial supply of the heart? The heart, it is supplied by the right and left coronary artery. Then what is the venous drainage of the heart? It is supplied by coronary sinus and vena cavus minimi. This coronary sinus, it drains the most of the blood of the heart into the right atrium, and vena cavus minimi, it drains into the uh, right atrium. It's a present scattered from. Third part of the venous drainage, anterior cardiac veins drains into the right atrium and right marginal vein into the right atrium. Sometimes it is present. Lymphatic drainage, it is having two lymphatic trunks, right lymphatic trunk and the right trunk and the left trunk. Right trunk, it drains into the brachiocephalic lymph nodes, and left trunk, it drains into the tracheobronchial lymph nodes. Then what is the nerve supply of the heart? The heart, it is supplied by there are two nerve supplies: superior cardiac plexus and deep cardiac plexus, as the right and left. These plexuses consist of are composed of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve. Sympathetic nerves, which arises from the second to fourth or fifth thoracic ganglion, and the parasympathetic nerve arises from the vagus nerve, that is right and the left. So this was about the anatomy of the heart. Tomorrow we will discuss valves of the heart and clinical importance of the heart. Okay, thank you.